Well, here we are, Cable Bay, in the beautiful Doubtless Bay. It's, I guess it's been a minute since my last video. It's sort of mid-December when I dropped my last video, and now it's mid-January. A few things have sort of kept me off the kayak. Sort of hurt my back, so it was a bit of a pain, but seems to be coming right now. So this is basically, it's the 12th of January, and this is going to be my first kayak trip this year, 12th of January 2019. So yeah, plan today is we're just going to chuck the kayak in the water. We're going to head offshore to a reef offshore and go have a bit of a dive. I'd like to grab a couple of crays and maybe shoot something. So we will get geared up and see how we go. Well, there's some good waves rolling in here. Just as the sets roll through. Could be a little bit interesting on the way back. Well, alright, we've made the trek out here. So certainly a bit of swell running, but this actually doesn't look that bad. I'll get my anchor down and gear up. it's update time. Saw me get those 2 crayfish, so pretty stoked about that. It's one of the main reasons I came here. I've seen like some poor-eye and a bunch of snapper. Like, I don't know if I got the snapper on film, because they're sort of like, they're really weary and they're all really active in here. And it's like I'm seeing them, but it's really hard to get close to them. There's some blooming big ones there too. So I've just set a little burley. I don't really normally burley, I normally just swim along. But I've just set a little burley. I'm going to give that a little bit to just soak, and I'll go back and snoop over the ledge and see if anything's come on it. What's interesting is that I haven't seen a single kingfish yet, and normally I'd see kingfish here, so I'm not too sure where they're at, but yeah, been a pretty good morning so far. We'll see what else comes along. I'm back out again. I set that burley trail, came over it, there was a snapper on it, wasn't a big snapper or anything, and he turned and swam away from me, and I hurried the shot and totally missed him. So kind of a little bit the story of my day with the gun. Had just been found a school of coes and been trying to shoot a coe to bring some kingfish in, and I couldn't even hit them, so never mind. Anyway, the wind's just starting to pick up. It's getting close to midday, and the wind's forecast to pick up for the afternoon, so I think I'm going to bail out of here. So I guess we'll head back in and talk to you on the beach. Backwards here. Here we go. I got it! Well, it's about 40 minutes after I crashed in the surf, and I've just picked this up on the bottom. Yeah, it's mine. I crashed in the surf. I lost it off my head. Yeah, it's literally brand new too. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. That was pretty interesting. I was coming in through the surf, and there was a set rolling through, and I was just backing up, holding off from where it broke, and I kind of got sideways and saw there was another wave coming, and I thought I could get round and get my nose into it in time. Anyway, as you saw, I didn't, and I got absolutely wiped out, just bowled completely. Had this camera on my head, and it ripped off. It was gone. My fins were gone, my mask was gone, stuff was floating everywhere. My catch bag with my 2 crayfish in it was gone. Luckily there were a couple of boys there, and they gave me a hand and sort of got all the floating stuff, and I managed to find the fins, the mask, the catch bag, and then I had the big look for the camera. As you just saw, I managed to find that, and I was stoked about that. So yeah, I guess I was just taking it a little bit too casual. I could have stuffed everything in the front hatch of the kayak. But yeah, I was just being a bit too casual, and it bit me in the bum. So I'm still missing the weight belt. I couldn't find that, but I think when the tide goes out, because it's fairly heavy, I think when the tide goes out it should just sink straight to the bottom, and I should be able to just sort of, hopefully the sand doesn't totally bury it and some of the belt's left sticking up or something, and I should be able to find it. Even if I can't, it's not too big a deal. I've got a spare one at home, but yeah, lucky, I'd say. Lucky to get the camera back. Anyway, total for the day is just the 2 crayfish. They're good ones, and yeah, awesome day though. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed seeing all the big snapper, even if I couldn't get close to them. So I guess that's pretty much it for this video. So thanks for watching, I guess, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.